Shishunda. I am here to deliver a speak about Perinthalaivar Kamarajar. Kamarajar was a great leader of Tamil Nadu. He was called Kingmaker because he helped to make good leader. He saw also called Garbhaveerar because he worked need for people. He loved children very much. He wanted every child to go to school too. He built many new schools too. He always taught about poor people and how to help them. He taught us about poor. He taught us about poor people. He said, "Thank you, Kamarajaraya, for making our life better." Thank you.